In front of me is SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the camera app, then tap on the settings icon, and here you've got self timer. So just click on it, and you have two options, so it can be 10 seconds delay or 3 seconds delay. I will choose 10 seconds, and as you can see, if you will click here, you will be able to grab a picture with this 10 seconds delay. And that's it. You can obviously switch it off the same way, so just tap on these settings, click on self timer, turn it off, and now you'll be able to grab the picture just with one click. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.